In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Google My Business to N8N. So firstly, open up N8N and log into your account, and then click on this create workflow option here to start a new workflow. And once you are here, click on the plus icon here, and then in the search bar here, search Google Business. Search for Google Business and select Google Business Profile. Click on it, and then here under the actions here, you can simply choose any actions here. So for example, like create a post, you can select that, and then once you have selected that, you'll get to this screen here where you go to configure the parameters. For the credential, click on it and then hit on create new credential, and then like just link your Google Business Profile profile link here. So just authorize it and link it using the prompts here. So just connect that. So connect your account. Once you've connected, hit on save, and once that's done, okay, go to the resources. You can choose whether it's a post, review, or API call. I'll just leave it as post. Operations, you can choose any of these based on your needs. I'll just put whether you can create something or get something, so just do that based on your needs. And then the accounts, you can either choose from the list, okay, which account, and then the location as well. You can just choose from the list once you have connected your account. And then the post type, you can leave it as standard, or you can choose any of these. I'll just leave it as standard. And then the summary of your post. Once you have added that, all you have to do is click on execute step. So once you're done, you're going to go back to Canva, and here you will see that your automation has now been connected. So you can try to execute by clicking on the execute workflow, and that's basically pretty much it is.